Welcome to Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I created a vegan sugarless carrot cake using homemade oat flour. Here's what you'll need, which is also in the description. The frosting is also sugarless and very easy to make using 3 ingredients only. Let's get started. Soak 450 grams of dates in 720 ml of hot milk for about 30 minutes. That's about 3 cups. Medjoul dates are best if you can get hold of them. Any dairy-free milk will do, such as soya or oat. I've used almond milk. Make sure all the dates are covered with the milk and put aside. Next, soak approximately 2 cups or 400 grams of raw cashews in some cold water for approximately 1 hour or until you prepare all the other ingredients. Time to prepare the carrots. I used a kilo bag of carrots which after grating weighed 900 grams. Grate half of the carrots using the coarse side and half on the fine side of the grater. Be sure to use caution when grating to avoid shreds of skin or fingernails in your cake. These things can cause serious damage, speaking from experience. Next, prepare the oat flour using 960 grams or about 4 cups of rolled oats. Use a blender to blend into oat flour. Once finely blended, transfer to a large bowl. Coarsely blend 150 grams or about a handful of walnuts. You can leave them quite chunky. Any method of breaking them up a little is fine. Add them to the oat flour and give them a mix. Add 1 tablespoon each of baking powder and baking soda. Add a tablespoon of cinnamon and mixed spices. You could vary the spices according to your taste and what you have available. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and combine. By now the dates should have softened and are ready for the next step. Using a hand blender, blend thoroughly the dates and milk. Once thoroughly blended, add half a cup or 120 grams of raisins. Add some vanilla essence and 3 bananas. You could mash them before or after adding to the bowl. Now it's time to combine the date mixture with the shredded carrots. Mix to combine the ingredients. When thoroughly combined, start gradually adding in the oat flour. When you have blended in all the flour, transfer to 2 equal-sized baking trays lined with grease-proof paper. Share the mixture equally between the trays and smooth the top with a wet spoon. Bake in the oven at gas mark 5 or 190 degrees Celsius for approximately 1 hour. Whilst the cakes are baking, let's prepare the frosting for the top. Add 450 grams of dates to the cashews, leaving in the water they have been soaking in. Allow to sit for a few minutes to loosen the dates, then blend together. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, then add some vanilla essence. Continue blending for a further 5 minutes. This is what the mixture should look like, no lumps but completely smooth. Cover the top and refrigerate for approximately 2 hours. Meanwhile, when the cakes have baked, transfer them to cooling racks to cool completely before frosting. When the cakes have cooled down completely and the frosting has been sitting in the fridge for a couple of hours, take the frosting out. Check the consistency, and if it seems a little runny, thicken it up with 2 teaspoons or more if necessary of Xantham Gum. This is a healthy and vegan-friendly thickening agent and is available from most stores. Once you're happy with the consistency, we can move on to frosting the cakes. Gently place 1 cake onto a serving dish. Roughly divide the frosting into 2 parts and apply the first part onto the cake. Spread evenly. Top with the second cake. Spread the remaining frosting on top. Decorate as you like using crushed walnuts, sprinkles or desiccated coconut. Afiyet olsun, enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Thank you for watching, see you next time.